So I know you guys have heard of Grabie watercolor and the Grabie acrylic markers and everything, but did you know that they make scrapbooking boxes? Oh my goodness, this is an Easter themed scrapbooking box. Look at all the treasures. Now I just started doing like a lot of like a scrapbooking kind of aesthetic to my sketchbooks lately with like washi tape and stickers, but look at all these. These are spring themed and Easter themed stickers. I don't even know what these are, these little bookmarks, but they're beautiful. And look at all the flower stickers. Where were these when I was finishing up my pink sketchbook? It was endless, absolutely endless, full of scrapbooking paper, stickers, cute little animal pictures. This was like getting my own Easter bunny basket. I am old now. I don't get Easter bunny baskets anymore, but this was an Easter bunny basket for artists. If you guys want one of these, it's in my little showcase little tab underneath my profile links, and it will take you straight to your own little Grabie Easter spring box.